Every living thing, from the tallest trees to the cells in your body, runs on tiny chemical building blocks called amino acids. Think of them as the Lego pieces of life. Without them, nothing in your body would be built, repaired, or even function.
Amino acids are the raw ingredients our bodies use to make proteins, and proteins make you. They build muscle, repair tissue, make hormones, enzymes, and even neurotransmitters that help your brain think and your mood remain balanced.
There are 20 amino acids, 9 of which are called essential, meaning our bodies cannot make them. We've got to get them from food. Animal foods like eggs contain all of them, making them a complete protein source. And animal sources are typically higher in protein content with better absorption. For these reasons, obtaining our amino acids from animals is the most efficient. That said, plants can provide an abundance of our amino acid needs when they are mixed and matched smartly.
In this series, we'll explore each amino acid, what it does, how it affects our bodies, what too little or too much looks like, and the best whole food sources to get it from. By the end, you will understand not just what amino acids are, but how they shape every breath, thought, and heartbeat you have.
Histidine is an essential amino acid that is a building block for proteins, as well as a precursor to several important molecules such as histamine, carnosine, and hemoglobin. Histidine is necessary to make histamine, which plays roles in alertness and immune defense. It helps form carnosine, which aids muscles during exercise, and is involved in red blood cell health along with tissue repair. With a balanced diet, both an excess and deficiency of histidine are very uncommon. Signs of excessive histidine are headaches, nausea, and mood changes. Signs of deficiency include fatigue, poor concentration, as well as skin and joint issues. The best sources of histidine are animal proteins like chicken, beef, and fish. For plant-based diets, soybeans, lentils, and chickpeas are excellent options, along with a variety of seeds.
Isoleucine is one of 9 amino acids we must get from our diet, and, along with other amino acids, acts as a building block for proteins. It has several vital functions, such as muscle metabolism and repair, blood sugar regulation, hemoglobin formation, as well as support for the immune and nervous systems. Isoleucine supports muscle tissue maintenance, promotes the use of fat and glucose for energy, and is essential for the synthesis of hemoglobin. Consuming too much isoleucine typically comes from high-dose protein supplements, not food. Deficiency can occur as a result of malnutrition, chronic illness, severe liver disease, and those with genetic metabolic disorders. Signs of deficiency are fatigue, poor exercise recovery, headaches, and dry, scaly skin.
Isoleucine is abundant in high-protein foods, though some are especially rich sources. Chicken, turkey, duck, beef, lamb, fish, and cheddar cheese are excellent choices. For a plant-based diet, the best sources of isoleucine are soybeans, pumpkin and sesame seeds, almonds, and spirulina, a type of blue-green algae.
Leucine is an essential amino acid. Essential meaning it must come from our diet. It is also one of 3 branched chain amino acids, which are particularly important for muscle metabolism. Leucine has several vital roles. It stimulates muscle protein synthesis, supports blood sugar regulation, promotes healing and recovery, and supports brain and nervous system function. Leucine is the most potent amino acid at signaling the body to build and repair muscle tissue. It also promotes insulin secretion, which helps regulate blood glucose. Leucine deficiency is rare in well-nourished populations, but can occur in cases of severe malnutrition, liver disease, and certain metabolic disorders. An excess of leucine is typically a result of supplement abuse. Abundant in high-protein foods, leucine is fairly easy to obtain. The best sources from animals are lean beef, chicken, tuna, and eggs. For vegans and vegetarians, soybeans, peanuts, pumpkin seeds, lentils, and black beans are excellent sources for this very important amino acid.
Lysine is an essential amino acid, which means it cannot be synthesized by our bodies. It must come from food. Among several vital roles, lysine is necessary to produce carnitine, which helps convert fatty acids into energy. Lysine is crucial for muscle growth and recovery, forming collagen, which is essential for skin and joint health, and is known to improve calcium absorption, important for bone strength. Lysine is required to produce enzymes and hormones such as insulin and adrenaline, and has been studied for its anti-anxiety effects because lysine has been shown to help regulate serotonin receptors. Lysine deficiency is uncommon in those eating adequate protein, but can occur with people on a low-protein diet, especially those who focus on grains, and people who have malabsorption issues. Symptoms of deficiency may include fatigue, hair loss, reproductive issues, increased anxiety and irritability, and anemia. Excessive lysine from food rarely causes toxicity. Abundant in animal proteins and relatively scarce in most grains, the top sources of lysine are lean beef, poultry, and tuna. Among all plant foods, legumes are the most reliable source of lysine. Pinto, black, and kidney beans, along with lentils, chickpeas, and soybeans, are excellent choices. And at the top of the list is Parmesan cheese. Go figure.
Methionine is an essential amino acid and therefore must be obtained from food. It contains sulfur, which makes it unique and crucial for the synthesis of other sulfur-containing molecules, like cysteine, taurine, and glutathione, a powerful antioxidant. Methionine has a wide range of roles, many of which tie into cellular repair, detoxification, and metabolism. It's the first amino acid used to start the synthesis of nearly every protein in the human body. My high-energy friend Brenda will take it from here.
Thanks, Tom. Methionine is also converted to S-adenosylmethionine, which is used for methylation, critical for gene regulation, neurotransmitter synthesis, DNA repair, and liver detoxification. Methionine also aids in fat metabolism, and the sulfur it contains strengthens keratin, the primary protein in hair, skin, and nails. An excess of methionine, especially from supplements or very high-protein diets, can have adverse effects. Signs of too much methionine include nausea, dizziness, agitation, and insomnia. Deficiency is rare if enough protein is consumed, but can occur with restrictive vegan diets or malabsorption. Now, will you tell us more about deficiency and where we can get this important amino acid?
You bet! Possible signs of methionine deficiency include fatigue, slow wound healing, liver dysfunction, brittle hair and nails, and depression or cognitive dullness. As for resources, methionine is found in both animal and plant-based foods, though animal proteins generally provide higher levels and better absorption. Among animal sources, the best are cheddar cheese, chicken breast, tuna, salmon, and turkey. On the plant-based side, the leading sources are sesame seeds, cooked soybeans, firm tofu, dry oats, and lentils. And on top of all sources of methionine are, pound for pound, Brazil nuts.
So there you have it. Get yourself plenty of methionine today and enjoy your life. It's the law.
Phenylalanine is an essential amino acid, meaning it is not synthesized by our bodies, so it must come from food. It serves as a precursor for several critical molecules in the brain and body. Phenylalanine is converted in the body to tyrosine, which is used to make several important neurotransmitters and hormones such as dopamine, which provides motivation and pleasure, noradrenaline and adrenaline for focus, alertness, and stress response, thyroid hormones that generate metabolism, and melanin for skin and hair pigment. Excess phenylalanine is of most concern to people with phenylketonuria, a rare genetic disorder. For most people, moderate excess is not harmful. Deficiency is rare in healthy individuals, but can occur in those with protein malnutrition, people on severely restricted diets, and certain metabolic disorders. Possible symptoms of phenylalanine deficiency are fatigue, low mood, poor memory, and reduced thyroid function. This amino acid is abundant in high-protein foods, both animal and plant-based. The most excellent sources are Parmesan cheese, pumpkin seeds, lean beef, peanuts, chicken, pork loin, soybeans, cottage cheese, and fish like salmon and tuna.
Threonine is an essential amino acid, meaning our bodies can't make it. We have to get it from food. It plays key roles in protein synthesis, collagen and elastin formation, and maintaining the immune and nervous systems. Our bodies benefit from threonine in the following ways. It supports muscle and tissue growth and repair. It's crucial for skin and cartilage wellness, and it aids in producing antibodies for immune support. Along with these, threonine helps form glycine and serine, neurotransmitters that promote calmness and mental stability. Threonine deficiency is relatively uncommon in people who eat a varied diet, since it is present in many protein-rich foods. Individuals with digestive disorders affecting nutrient absorption are most at risk of low threonine levels. Signs of deficiency include poor liver function, weak immune response, digestive issues, muscle weakness, and emotional instability or anxiety. Toxicity is rare. Threonine is found in a wide range of both animal and plant-based foods, though animal proteins tend to offer more complete amino acid profiles. The richest animal sources are tuna, chicken breast, beef, eggs, and cheddar cheese. On the plant side, threonine can be found in pumpkin seeds, lentils, and oats. Less concentrated sources are milk, quinoa, and spinach. And the number one source, gram for gram, are soybeans. Go beans!
Tryptophan is an amino acid that we must get from food. Our bodies cannot synthesize it. It's one of the less common amino acids in terms of dietary abundance, but it plays several crucial roles beyond just building proteins. Along with other amino acids and their role in protein synthesis, tryptophan converts into serotonin, which influences mood, anxiety, and overall sense of well-being. It is also converted into melatonin, helping regulate circadian rhythms for better sleep. Tryptophan is a precursor for niacin, essential for energy production and helps regulate immune system activity. Deficiency in tryptophan is uncommon in balanced diets, but can occur with malnutrition or certain medical conditions. Low levels can lead to fatigue, poor appetite, insomnia, low mood, and irritability. Niacin deficiency in extreme cases can result in dermatitis, diarrhea, and dementia. Excess of tryptophan is rarely dangerous except in protein supplement overuse. Tryptophan is found in high-protein foods, both animal and plant-based. The best sources are soybeans, pumpkin seeds, chia seeds, turkey, salmon, cheddar cheese, tuna, sesame seeds, chicken, and tofu.
Folks, we're wrapping up our essential amino acid series with valine, one of the 9 our bodies cannot produce. We must obtain it from food. It is one of the 3 branched chain amino acids which are metabolized directly in our muscles rather than the liver. Valine, like other amino acids, is critical for muscle growth and repair as it plays a key role in protein synthesis and helps stimulate muscle regeneration. Being glucogenic, valine can be broken down and used for energy during exercise or fasting. It also helps maintain proper nervous system function, supports cognitive performance, and is beneficial to stabilize glucose levels by influencing insulin sensitivity. Okay, here's my elegant friend Rose to tell us more about this branched chain amino acid.
Well, thanks, Leonardo. Valine is easy to obtain with a balanced diet, as it is found in many common protein-rich foods. Deficiency usually occurs from malnutrition or malabsorption disorders. Signs of inadequate valine include muscle weakness, fatigue, confusion, mood swings, and low blood sugar. Other than rare metabolic disorders, an excess of valine is of little concern. The best sources of valine are animal proteins, though it is also easy to obtain from a variety of plant-based foods as well. Among the best sources, according to ChatGPT, are chicken, tuna, beef, pumpkin seeds, eggs, lentils, Greek yogurt, quinoa, and black beans. And with 20% more valine per 100 grams compared with chicken, the top valine source is the great and powerful soybean.
So there you have it, my glorious friends. Getting a sufficient amount of all 9 essential amino acids is about as important as a heartbeat.
I agree. Getting the nutrients our bodies need is a great start to enjoying life. Enjoying our lives is the law, after all.